it's me, Mrs. A. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful watercolor sunset picture. For me, it's a rainy day here, and so I wanted to draw a really bright, beautiful sunset. Today you're going to need a white piece of paper, some watercolor paints, and some brushes. I'm so happy you joined me today for our video. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more of my videos. I found a picture on Google of a sunset that we're going to try to paint today. If you want to paint a different sunset, that's totally fine. I'm going to show you the one I'm going to be looking at and what I'm going to be painting from. Let's get started. The first technique we're going to need to know how to do to make our sunset picture is wet on wet. You get some water, you apply it to your paper, and then you put wet paint on top. Next, wet on dry. Get your brush wet and put it on dry paper. Next, practice making some dots. Then, I'd like you to practice making one lighter color and then picking a darker color and putting it on top. Then, I'd like you to practice blending out a darker color and then taking another darker color and outlining it. Maybe making a squiggly line on top, and then even practice doing some dots on top of that. Then we're going to practice blending two colors together. So take an orange, yellow, and then put some water on top and blend the two together. Then I go in and I add a little bit more orange on the top and a little bit more yellow on the bottom. This helps it make it look faded and blends really nicely. Okay, you're ready now to start your sunset. So first, we're going to be making the mountain line. We're going to do a dark color on the bottom of our page. I'm using long strokes with my brush to get that flat ridge on the bottom of the paper. I'm trying to find the right color by blending multiple colors together. If you look at our picture, there's lots of blues and black tones, so I'm trying to find the perfect blue. Go ahead and do this on your page. Press the pause button if you need more time. Next, I'm getting my black and I'm making dotted motions on top of the blue. This is blending together and making more of a gray tone. I don't want a perfectly straight line at the bottom of my mountain, so I'm going up and down, up and down. I'm adding more water. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is what's nice about painting with watercolor, is the paint helps you create your picture. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and get your black and put it on top of your blue. Pause if you need more time. Now we're ready to start using our sky. So I clean off my brush so it doesn't have black anymore, and I get a nice orange color. Now I'm going to put this a little bit over the mountain. That's okay because we're going to outline our mountain later. I'm going to add some water, get some yellow, and then I'm going to blend those two colors together. By putting the water on top, it makes it so there aren't any harsh lines. Now it's your turn. Make sure you pause if you need more time. Now I'm going to add some red to my sky. We're going to blend this color with our yellow to make more of a pink tone. make sure you add lots of water on top of your red so that it lightens it and helps blend it together. You're going to want to add red to both sides of your sky to help create a balance. Don't wait too long or your red could dry. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and pause the video if you need more time. Now we're going to make purple streaks in the sky. I get my brush very wet, get my purple, and I do kind of a blended dotting motion in the sky. I want it to look like the clouds, and the clouds aren't perfectly straight lines, so I want to use my dotting technique to make it look like the clouds. Next, I'm going to add blue next to the purple to blend the sky. You can always add more water on top while your paint is wet to make it a lighter color and to help blend. I'm going to speed up this process so that we can move on to the next step. You can go ahead and start this now on your page. Fill in that empty white space with red and blue to help blend the sky. Make sure you pause if you need more time. Next, we're going to get some yellow with a dry brush, and we're going to make streaks on top of our yellow sky. This technique is really helpful because it helps make our yellow in the sky become more vibrant. I'm going to speed up this process so that you can try. Not only do I do it for the yellow, but I add more red in there too. Then I add water on top of my dry red lines to help blend them and make them a little lighter. Now it's your turn. I'm going to use my dotting technique to help bring more texture in the sky. By keeping my brush dry, this helps make the purple stand out more. I'm going to go ahead and speed up this process so that you can try too. It's your turn. Make sure you pause if you need more time. Next, we're going to outline our mountain ridge. We're going to add some curved lines on our mountain. And then I'm going to get my black a little bit more wet so that I can add some shadows to make them look more like they're mountains. Now it's your turn. Yay, we did it! We completed our picture. This is my sunset. I want to see what your sunset looks like. Great job! If you joined me today and you made a beautiful sunset picture too, I want to see what yours looks like. Email to me at mrsatakesonk@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Bye, friends!